Hey everyone! Welcome back to Skin Whisper, where we talk all things beauty, wellness, and self-care. Today, I'm sharing the ultimate skincare routine for glowing skin that you can do right at home. Ready to get that radiant glow? Let's dive in. Step 1 is cleansing. It's super important to start with a clean slate. Use a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type to remove dirt, oil, and any leftover makeup. Remember, don't rush. Massage it into your skin for about 60 seconds to really let it work its magic. Next up, exfoliation. This step is key to removing dead skin cells and revealing that fresh, glowing layer underneath. If you're using a physical exfoliant, be gentle, no scrubbing too hard. If you prefer chemical exfoliants, go for something with AHAs or BOSS. Use this step 2 to 3 times a week, not daily. Now, let's tone. Toner helps to balance your skin's pH and prep it for the next steps. Pour a small amount onto a cotton pad or your hands and gently pat it into your skin. Look for ingredients like rose water or witch hazel for a soothing effect. Time for the powerhouse of your routine serums. Choose one based on your skin's needs. For glowing skin, I love anything with vitamin C or hyaluronic acid. Apply a few drops to your fingertips and press it gently into your skin. Lock in all that goodness with a moisturizer. This step helps to keep your skin hydrated and glowing all day long. Go for a lightweight gel if you have oily skin or a richer cream if your skin is dry. Final step. If it's daytime, never skip your sunscreen. SPF 30 or higher is a must to protect your skin and maintain that glow. At night, swap it for a nourishing facial oil to seal everything in. And that's it, your complete at-home skincare routine for glowing skin. Remember, consistency is key. Let me know in the comments which step is your favorite, or if you had any go-to products you swear by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.